So, hello, my dear friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Pratik, and today I'm going to tell about what is the three things that is important in spoken English. So, I know that what is your problem, what is everyone's problem. They want to speak English fluently and they want to improve English. So, I'm going to tell about three things which are very important in spoken English. And if you will follow the three things, then I promise that your English will improve in just you can follow in 1 month. Actually, when I was started my English journey, then I have huge problem that I firstly, when I before speaking, just I translate the sentence, just I think the sentence in English, then after that translate the sentence, then I think in English, and after that I speak. So that was my biggest problem. And when I was improving my English, like three things I was following that time, my English was very bad that time. Before that it was good, but when I was following three things, that time it become very bad. But after 1 month, it becomes very good. And right now you can recognize that how it my English is good, not but not very good, because I'm doing practicing for it. So that's why. And if you also want to improve your English, so then you can follow three things which are very important. So I'm going to tell you three things, that is firstly speaking, writing and listening. Three things are very important in spoken English. So firstly listening, yeah, listening, writing and speaking. Listening, first you have to listen the English videos, English podcast, English YouTube channel, and English movies. You have to just listen. And in a day you can listen 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, whatever you have time, you can listen. And if you are doing something, then you can listen this. You have to just listen, and you have to avoid listen music. Like everyone, every people, when they have time, they listen music. They just waste your time Instagram, YouTube. Don't waste your time if you really want to speak English. So then you can listen. You have to listen English podcast and YouTube. On YouTube there are some channels, they are uploaded videos, English speeches, English podcast, English movies. So you have to just listen. And second things, writing. So first, whatever you will listen, then you will speak. If you will listen, your mind will grow and you will speak. So second thing is writing. Whatever you will listen, just write. And I means write whatever things that any topic, you search any topic and write with your own mind, write with your own self, with your own self. Don't take a help of YouTube, or don't take a help of any type, any Google speeches. Just you have to search on topic and you have to listen by own self, that whatever comes in mind, just write. And after that check the what is wrong and what is correct. Okay. If you are wrong somewhere in grammar, maybe in sentences, then just check this and write this. After that again write it. Okay. Then just you have to write like 1 page, 2 page, you can write. You can search any topic and write that about topic. Okay. And third thing is speaking. Then if you will practice for 1 month speaking, first listening, second writing, and third speaking. So if you will improve your listening, you can listen other language like British language, American English, British English. Then you will understand. And you can go on YouTube and you can listen videos, English speeches, TEDx talks. You try to understand whatever they are saying, try to understand. And second thing, writing. So write whatever comes in mind in any topic, any speeches, whatever comes in mind, just write this. Okay. Then practice this, and after that you have to practice speaking. Like you can do both of three, practice with both three. You can practice three of them every day. But after listening, writing, you have to do speaking. Okay. You can do speaking with listening and writing also. It will good for you, it will be very good for you. Okay. Then speaking. So speaking, you have to just speak in front of mirror with yourself. Like if you are alone, then you can speak any topic. If you will listen and write, then your mind will improve and you can speak very easily. But maybe some mistake will happen, but improve that. Okay. Then speak, and you can make a group also, friends group, English group also. There are some of groups on available on Google, you can search there. and you can join and you can speak there. Okay, just you have to speak in front of mirror, in front of your phone. You can start your camera and just speak in English, like whatever comes. You can start a blog also in English, then your English will improve. So I hope three things are very important. Just you have to do 1 month speaking, writing and listening. So first you have listening, writing and speaking. You can do practice both of three them. Okay, so thank you so much for watching my videos, and it is my first videos, so I hope whatever I have make mistakes, so sorry for that, and please like and subscribe for videos.